Seneca, the renowned Stoic philosopher, once wisely remarked, "It's not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it. Like a rapidly flowing river, our time is both precious and fleeting." You've likely heard that time is the one resource we can't replenish. Drawing from this timeless wisdom, today's discussion will delve into 7 Stoic practices designed to elevate you above 98% of people, ensuring you not only live, but thrive in the grand theater of life. Before we dive in, please like this video to support my efforts in spreading Stoic philosophy. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider doing so and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any new content. Way 1. Cultivating the cosmic perspective. Imagine traveling back thousands of years, standing atop a mountain peak with a great Stoic philosopher. Under a sky full of stars, you discuss life's challenges. As you share the unique stresses of the 21st century, like the pressure to succeed, constant social media comparisons, or the relentless pace of life, the philosopher gestures towards the vast cosmos. Above, the expansive universe stretches out, galaxies spiral, and stars burn with fiery passion. In this setting, the Stoic imparts a timeless truth. In the grand tapestry of the universe, our lives are but fleeting shadows. How does this cosmic perspective relate to getting ahead of 98% of people? It's about mindset. Many people are ensnared by the immediacy of their experiences, magnifying every failure, dwelling on every criticism, and being bound by societal expectations. Stoics, however, zoom out. By recognizing our tiny place in the vast expanse of the universe, they gain a mental clarity that many lack. Consider a concrete example. A time when a colleague received a promotion you thought you deserved, or when a casual remark ruined your day. Such events can seem all-consuming, but by employing the cosmic perspective, you realize the transient nature of these events. Instead of stewing in envy or resentment, the Stoic mind considers the larger scheme of things. Will this matter in the grand scope of the universe? More often than not, the answer is no. This isn't about belittling genuine struggles or emotions. It's a tool for discernment. It helps prioritize what truly matters. When you're not bogged down by every minor setback or trivial pursuit, you gain a significant edge. While 98% might be chasing fleeting validations, you're channeling your energy into purposeful action, anchored by a profound understanding of life's bigger picture. Look at some of the most successful and impactful figures in history. Many of them, consciously or not, practiced this art of zooming out. It offered them resilience in the face of adversity and clear vision amidst chaos. How can you embrace this cosmic perspective in your daily life? Start with moments of reflection. Before beginning your day or when confronted with a challenging decision, take a few minutes to visualize the broader canvas of existence. Read about the vastness of our universe. Such practices can anchor your mindset, providing clarity and calm. Way 2. Benefiting from negative visualization. Picture yourself in a historic marketplace, surrounded by bustling crowds, vibrant stalls of fruits and fabrics, and a cacophony of chatter. Amidst the noise, you're drawn to a corner where a Stoic philosopher stands, captivating an audience with a seemingly paradoxical lesson. Rather than visualizing a life filled with endless pleasure and success, he urges them to occasionally contemplate potential hardships and setbacks. This, he proposes, is the key to a fulfilled and resilient life. Negative visualization might seem counterintuitive at first. After all, we're often told to keep our thoughts positive and focus solely on our aspirations. However, let's explore why this Stoic practice could be the secret to catapulting you ahead of 98% of the population. Most people live in perpetual fear of the unknown and unexpected. They're blindsided by life's curveballs because they've never mentally prepared for them. This leaves them vulnerable, reactive, and often paralyzed by adversity. But what if you could develop a mental armor? What if, instead of being thrown off course by unexpected challenges, you've already rehearsed them in your mind? Imagine you're an entrepreneur. While most business owners might only dream of profits and success, you occasionally ponder potential challenges, a product failure, a drop in market demand, or even a global recession. Instead of this visualization spiraling you into despair, it prompts proactive preparation. You might diversify your products, invest in research, or create an emergency fund. So when the tide turns, as it often does in the unpredictable world of business, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. Negative visualization also cultivates gratitude, a powerful tool often overlooked in our race for more. By occasionally reflecting on the absence of the blessings we take for granted, be it good health, a supportive family, or even the mere luxury of a meal, we foster a deeper appreciation for the present. This heightened sense of gratitude not only boosts our mental well-being but also propels us to make the most of our current resources, giving us a direct edge over others. Seneca once said, "He suffers more than necessary who suffers before it is necessary." By occasionally visiting potential hardships through negative visualization, you're not manifesting adversity. Instead, you're equipping yourself with the mental agility to handle any scenario life throws your way. While the majority might be dreading and avoiding potential setbacks, you're preparing and fortifying. This ensures resilience in the face of adversity and positions you far ahead in the game of life, giving you an edge over the unprepared. Way 3. Embracing intentional discomfort. Imagine yourself in a serene courtyard, shaded by ancient olive trees. As the warm Mediterranean breeze caresses your face, you notice a small group gathered around a Stoic philosopher. He demonstrates a peculiar exercise, deliberately wearing coarse clothing and choosing to sit on the rough ground rather than a comfortable bench nearby. His message: growth lies at the edges of discomfort. This Stoic practice of embracing intentional hardships seems out of place in our modern world, where we're surrounded by tools and technologies designed for our convenience and comfort. Yet this might be the very reason it's a powerful tool to propel you ahead of 98% of others. Consider the fundamental principles of growth and development. Whether it's building muscle, learning a new skill, or fostering resilience, progress typically occurs when we push beyond our comfort zones. Most people, however, naturally gravitate towards ease and familiarity. By doing so, they often plateau in their personal and professional lives, stuck in the confines of their self-imposed boundaries. Let's make this tangible. Think about athletes. While their peers might be content with regular training routines, those who excel often incorporate challenging regimens, pushing their bodies and minds to the limits. They might train in high altitudes, endure extreme weather conditions, or even practice while fatigued. This intentional discomfort doesn't break them, it makes them. Embracing intentional discomfort also recalibrates our baseline for contentment. By occasionally fasting, for instance, the simple pleasure of a modest meal becomes profoundly satisfying. As Seneca aptly put it, it is in times of security that the spirit should be preparing itself for difficult times. Incorporating this Stoic exercise into your life can be transformative. It might be as straightforward as taking cold showers, periodically fasting, or intentionally exposing yourself to challenging situations that align with your goals. In a society where many are in constant pursuit of comfort, choosing the path of intentional discomfort not only fosters resilience, but also sets you apart. While others might shy away from challenges, you're actively seeking them out, knowing that within them lie unparalleled opportunities for growth and distinction. Way 4. Controlling the dichotomy of control. Imagine yourself in the heart of a tranquil garden, surrounded by aromatic flowers and gentle streams. You sit among eager listeners, drawn to the wisdom of a Stoic elder. He presents a simple yet profound dichotomy. There are things within our control and things beyond it. Mastery of this distinction, he asserts, is the gateway to unparalleled freedom and success. This dichotomy of control is one of Stoicism's foundational principles. But how can this age-old wisdom position you ahead of 98% of people in our modern era? Surprisingly, many individuals today spend an inordinate amount of energy and emotional currency on external factors beyond their grasp. The opinions of others, market fluctuations, global events, or even the weather. This misalignment not only leads to unnecessary stress, but also diffuses their focus from areas where they can enact real change. Now, let's take this into the realm of contemporary careers. Picture a young professional, Jane. She's pitching a groundbreaking project to her company's board. While she cannot control their ultimate decision, she fully owns her preparation, the clarity of her presentation, and her response to their questions. By focusing on these aspects, those within her control, Jane maximizes her chances of success while minimizing unnecessary stress.
Similarly, in your personal life, understanding and embracing this dichotomy can be transformative. Instead of worrying about the uncontrollable, such as the weather on the day of an important event, direct your energy towards what you can control: your preparation, your attitude, and your response. This shift not only reduces anxiety, but also enhances productivity and effectiveness. By mastering the dichotomy of control, you align your efforts with your true sphere of influence, giving you a distinct advantage over those who scatter their energy on things they cannot change. This focused approach empowers you to navigate life's uncertainties with confidence and clarity, setting you far ahead in both personal and professional realms. Way 5. Practicing voluntary discomfort. Visualize a scene where you stand beside a Stoic philosopher in an ancient city, observing as he willingly forgoes a meal or sleeps on the hard ground. The practice of voluntary discomfort might seem perplexing, especially in a world that continually seeks comfort. However, it is through these intentional acts that we build resilience and a deeper appreciation for the comforts we often take for granted. The concept is straightforward. By deliberately putting ourselves in uncomfortable situations, we prepare our minds and bodies to handle adversity with grace. While the majority avoid discomfort at all costs, you can distinguish yourself by embracing it, thus developing a mental toughness that surpasses 98% of people. Consider a modern-day application: choosing to walk or bike to work instead of driving. This act might initially seem inconvenient, but it introduces physical activity into your routine, reduces your environmental footprint, and enhances your mental stamina. Similarly, opting for occasional digital detoxes helps break the dependency on constant connectivity, fostering a deeper sense of presence and mindfulness. When you practice voluntary discomfort, you are not only preparing for inevitable challenges, but also cultivating a mindset of gratitude. After experiencing temporary discomfort, the simple pleasures of daily life become more profound. This shift in perspective helps you maintain focus on what truly matters, providing a competitive edge in both personal and professional spheres. Way 6. Focusing on your internal narratives. Imagine joining a Stoic philosopher by a tranquil river, where he teaches the importance of mastering one's internal dialogue. In the modern world, our internal narratives significantly shape our perception and behavior. However, many people remain unaware of the power these narratives hold, allowing them to run unchecked and often negatively. To rise above 98% of people, you must take control of your internal dialogue. This means becoming aware of your thoughts, challenging negative self-talk, and replacing it with constructive, empowering narratives. Stoic philosophy emphasizes the importance of inner tranquility and the cultivation of a resilient mindset. Let's bring this into a contemporary context. Picture an athlete preparing for a major competition. While physical training is essential, the mental game is equally critical. By mastering positive self-talk, visualizing success, and maintaining focus on what can be controlled, the athlete enhances performance and resilience. In your professional life, this translates to a calm and composed approach to challenges. Instead of being overwhelmed by setbacks or criticism, you view them as opportunities for growth. This mental fortitude not only boosts your productivity, but also sets you apart as a leader capable of navigating complexity with grace.
Way 7. Embracing the impermanence of life. Visualize yourself at the foot of a Stoic philosopher's statue, where the lesson of impermanence is etched into stone. In an era where the pursuit of permanence and stability is prevalent, embracing the transient nature of life can be a liberating and powerful tool. Stoic philosophers taught that understanding and accepting the impermanence of all things helps us appreciate the present and make the most of our time. This mindset shift can propel you ahead of 98% of people who often cling to the illusion of permanence and are unprepared for change. Consider how this principle applies in the business world. Markets, trends, and technologies evolve rapidly. By accepting the impermanence of these elements, you remain adaptable and open to innovation. Instead of resisting change, you anticipate it, positioning yourself as a forward-thinking leader. In your personal life, this principle fosters a deeper appreciation for relationships and experiences. Knowing that everything is transient encourages you to cherish moments with loved ones and to pursue your passions with urgency. This awareness not only enhances your quality of life, but also fuels a sense of purpose and drive that sets you apart. As we draw our discussion to a close, remember that these 7 Stoic practices are not merely philosophical musings, but actionable strategies that can elevate you above 98% of people. By cultivating a cosmic perspective, practicing negative visualization, embracing intentional discomfort, mastering the dichotomy of control, practicing voluntary discomfort, focusing on internal narratives, and embracing impermanence, you build a resilient and purposeful life. Incorporate these timeless principles into your daily routine and witness the transformative impact they can have. As Seneca wisely noted, it's not that we have a short time to live, but that we waste much of it. Make the most of your time by living with intention and wisdom, and you will undoubtedly rise above the ordinary. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into Stoic philosophy. Remember to hit the bell icon to stay updated with new content. Until next time, live wisely and thrive.